तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहं ज्ञानजनन्तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्थो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता.
In this verse, Lord Krishna says, out of compassion for them, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy the darkness of ignorance with the shining lamp of knowledge. Krishna explains that for his devoted followers, he personally removes their ignorance by giving them divine knowledge. This knowledge helps them see the truth and find the right path in life.
Arjuna uvacha parabrahma parandham pavitram paramam bhavan purusham shashvatam divyam adidevamajam vibhum.
In this verse, Arjuna says to Lord Krishna, you are the Supreme Divine Personality, the ultimate abode, the purest and the eternal. You are the original God, unborn and all-pervading. Arjuna is acknowledging Krishna's greatness. He recognizes that Krishna is the highest divine being, the source of all purity and eternal truth. Arjuna also understands that Krishna is the original creator who exists beyond birth and death.
Ahustvam rishayas sarve devarshirnaradasthatha asito devalo vyasas swayam chaiva pravishime.
In this verse, Arjuna continues speaking to Lord Krishna. All the great sages, including Narada, Asita, Devala and Vyasa, have declared you as the supreme divine being. Now you yourself are telling me the same truth. Arjuna is saying that not only does he recognize Krishna's greatness, but so do the wisest sages of ancient times. They have all confirmed that Krishna is the supreme Lord of the universe, and now Krishna is affirming this truth personally.
सर्वमेतद्धृतं मन्ये यन्मां वदसि केशव न हि ते भगवन् व्यक्तिं विदुर्देवानदानवाः.
In this verse, Arjuna says to Lord Krishna, I fully accept everything you have told me as true. O Krishna, neither the gods nor the demons can understand your true nature. Arjuna expresses his complete faith in Krishna's words. He acknowledges that Krishna's divine nature is beyond the understanding of even the most powerful beings, like gods and demons. This shows Arjuna's deep trust in Krishna's wisdom and teachings.
स्वयमेवात्मनात्मानौ वेत्थ त्वं पुरुषोत्तम भूतभावनभूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते.
In this verse, Arjuna says to Lord Krishna, you alone know yourself by your own power. O Supreme Divine Personality, Creator of all beings, Lord of all, God of gods, and Ruler of the universe. Arjuna acknowledges that only Krishna truly knows the full extent of his divine nature. Krishna, being the creator and ruler of everything, is the only one who fully understands himself. Even the gods and sages cannot comprehend his greatness.
व्यक्तुमर्हस्य शेषेण दिव्यायात्मविभूतयः याभिर्विभूतिभिर्लोकान् इमां संव्याप्य तिष्ठसि.
In this verse, Arjuna asks Lord Krishna, please describe to me in detail your divine powers and manifestations by which you pervade all the worlds and exist in them. Arjuna wants to understand more about Krishna's divine qualities and how he expresses his power throughout the universe. He asks Krishna to explain the different ways in which he is present in everything and everywhere.
कथं विद्यामः योगिन्स् त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन्मया.
In this verse, Arjuna asks Lord Krishna, how can I, O Yogeshwara, always think of you? In what various forms should I meditate on you, O blessed Lord? Arjuna wants to know how he can always keep Krishna in his thoughts. He asks Krishna to describe the different forms of manifestations through which he can meditate on Krishna and stay connected.
विस्तरेणात्मनो योगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे मृतम्.
In this verse, Arjuna says to Lord Krishna, O Janardana, please describe to me again your divine powers and glories in detail. I am never tired of hearing your nectar-like words. Arjuna expresses his eagerness to hear more about Krishna's divine qualities and powers. He finds Krishna's teachings so enlightening and satisfying that he wants to keep listening without ever growing weary.
श्रीभगवानुवाच हन्त ते कथयिष्यामि दिव्याह्यात्मविभूतयः प्राधान्यतः कुरु श्रेष्ठ नास्त्यन्तो विस्तरस्य मे.
In this verse, Lord Krishna says to Arjuna, "Very well, I shall now tell you of my divine manifestations, but only the most important ones, O Arjuna, for there is no end to my glories." Krishna acknowledges Arjuna's request and agrees to share some of his key divine manifestations. However, he also explains that his glories are limitless and he will only describe a few of the most significant ones.
अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताशयस्थितः अहमादिश्च मध्यै च भूतानामन्त एव च.
In this verse, Lord Krishna says, "I am the Self, O Gudakesha, seated in the hearts of all creatures. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all beings." Krishna reveals that he is the inner essence or soul present in every living being. He is the origin, sustainer, and conclusion of all existence. Everything starts, continues, and ends with him.